This is the ellipse normal at end of the lattice rectum. This is yes. This is the lattice rectum. End of the lattice rectum. This is the tangent line. Normal at end of the lattice rectum, passing through one end of the minor axis. This is L. This is tangent line. This is a normal line. Given question is listen. Normal at end of a lattice rectum, one end of a lattice rectum, passing through, normal passing through one end of the minor axis, one end of the minor axis, then prove that e power 4 plus e square, then prove that e power 4 plus e square equal to minus 1. That is the given question. Again, normal at end of a lattice rectum, one end of a lattice rectum, passing through one end of the minor axis, then show that e power 4 plus e square equal to 1. Take that diagram. Take the diagram. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and small eb eccentricity of the ellipse, EBD, eccentricity of the ellipse. Therefore, positive end of the lattice rectum, capital L equal to AE comma B square by A. AE comma B square by A. That is the positive end of the lattice rectum. So, take normal at this point. What is the normal equation? A square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 equal to a square minus b square. Write the formula. Equation of the normal.
Hello.
Equation of the normal at x1 y1.
Hello sir, good morning sir.
చెప్పండి. Equation of the normal at the point x1 y1 is a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 equal to a square minus b square. Equation of the normal at x1 y1, a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 equal to a square minus b square. Substitute x1 value a, y1 value b square by a. Therefore, a square x by x1 value ae minus b square y by y1 value b square by a equal to a square minus b square. A cancel. Ax by e. B square cancel. Minus ay equal to a square minus b square. So, equation of the normal is over. This normal line passing through one end of the minor axis. So, substitute 0 comma minus b in the normal. When x value 0, y value is minus b. Write down. Given normal line passing through 0 minus b. So x value 0, y value minus b. A into 0 by e minus a into y value minus b equal to a square minus b square. 0 into something equal to 0. So minus into minus plus. AB equal to a square minus b square. First listen. We want e power 4 plus e square equal to 1. So, first apply b square formula. B square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. First listen. AB equal to a square minus b square place lo a square into 1 minus e square. So AB equal to a square minus a square plus a square e square plus a square minus a square cancel. AB equal to a square e square. A cancel. Squaring on both sides. B square equal to a square into e power 4. Again apply this formula. A square into 1 minus e square equal to a square into e power 4. A square cancel. So 1 equal to e power 4 plus e square. E power of the, listen, this is the ellipse, point of intersection of the perpendicular tangents. These two are the perpendicular tangents. The locus of the locus of the point of intersection of the perpendicular tangent lies on a circle. That is the question. So these two are the perpendicular tangents. Listen. Let m be the slope of the tangent. We know the equation of the tangent in the slope form. Listen. Y equal to mx plus or minus under root a square m square plus b square. This is the equation of the tangent in the slope form. This is passing through the point x1 y1. So y1 equal to mx1 plus or minus a square m square plus b square. First write that one. Let equation of the ellipse be x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Next, let small m be the slope of the tangent. Next, let px1 y1 be point of intersection of perpendicular tangents Therefore, equation of the tangent in the slope form y equal to mx plus or minus under root a square m square plus b square. Next, clearly this is passing through x1 y1. Therefore, y1 equal to m x1 plus or minus under root a square m square plus b square. y1 minus mx1 equal to plus or minus under root a square m square plus b square. Squaring on both sides. y1 square m square x1 square minus 2m x1 y1 in RHS root 2 square cancel a square m square plus b square. Next, bring RHS into LHS. y1 square m square x1 square minus 2m x1 y1 minus a square m square minus b square equal to 0. First write the m square values. x1 square minus a square into m square minus 2x1 y1 m, first m square term, next m term, next constant, plus y1 square minus b square equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation in m. So it has two roots. Let m1 and m2 be roots of the equation. Roots of the equation. Therefore, product of the roots, we apply this formula, alpha beta equal to c by a. Product of the roots, m1 into m2. This is a value, this is b value, this is c value. C by a, y1 square minus b square by x1 square minus a square. In the theorem statement given, two tangents are perpendicular. So, product of their slopes equal to minus 1. Listen, this is one tangent, this is another tangent. M1, M2 are the slopes. They are perpendicular to each other. So, M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. That is clearly. So, substitute M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. Write the notes. Clearly, tangents are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. Therefore, M1 into M2, M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. Minus 1 equal to y1 square minus b square by x1 square minus a square by cross multiplication minus x1 square plus a square equal to y1 square minus b square. Therefore, x1 square plus y1 square equal to a square plus b square. x1 square plus y1 square equal to a square plus b square. Therefore, locus of P is x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square. Locus of P is x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square. Once again listen.